Hi, my name is Claudia. I'm a registered physiotherapist here in Proactive, and today I want to talk about the heaviness that you may experience when you deliver. The entrance of the vagina is going to allow for the baby to come out by stretching about 10 centimeters. There's going to be an active push that is also going to affect the muscles. Those muscles are going to feel like they went through a marathon. And those muscles are not going to recover 100% the next day. It's going to take a few weeks because those muscles are participating on the system of support of your pelvic organs. They may feel a little bit heavier, and you may feel that heaviness in the perineum, or you may feel that heaviness in the entrance of the vagina. For some people, it's also the sensation of bulging, and some patients come into the clinic saying that they see something in the entrance. When we do the assessment, we're able to see if that is part of the normal healing process in the postpartum, or that is something different that maybe we need to address with your doctor. We will be able to tell you if exercise will benefit you, and we're also going to be able to tell you if there's anything else that we may need to change during the postpartum to allow for better healing. There's a lot of patients that come in the postpartum with digestive issues like constipation, and that constipation and that push can contribute to tension down to the pelvic floor and feeling even more tired and low. Also, frequent urination or holding your bladder for long can also affect how those muscles are recovering. Engaging your muscles in a way that maybe can increase the pressure down to the pelvic floor. For example, doing exercises for your core without the proper pressure or the direction of the movement can also contribute to the sensation of heaviness. So it's not always just the pelvic floor, but also maybe some habits and some other things. You also need to kind of agree that not everyone is having the best sleep during the first few weeks of the postpartum, and you may not be conscious of how much water you're drinking or how much rest and even the food that you're eating. So there's a lot of things that your body needs to cope with.